Hi all, back again. Today I want to build up a relationship with model eloquent ORM with all the tables. Uh, how can a relationship between every tables each others? Now we are trying to make a model. How many tables I created that previous tutorial I already covered. Today I want to uh, develop the eloquent ORM with model and relationship. So get starts. PHP artisan make model. For the model name, I have a brand table. So in this case, I write brand BR. Brand table already created, and another is category. Category, and I need customer profile. FILE. Go to the model, app, model, brand. The brand table I have nothing to do now. Categories same. Now fill up the customer profile, protected, fillable property. Why I need to fillable property? When a customer fill up his information in our system, I need to fill a property first. Where I can get to the database, and this is the customer profiles. Check customer name, customer ID, customer city, customer state, customer postcode, etc. Clear all the tables, slider, model for the customers table, customer address, customer city, customer state. I help the code postcode with the customer country. Then I need to the customer phone, customer fax, ship name, ship address, ship city, ship state, ship postcode, ship country, and need to ship phone. Then we need to add user ID, and we need to relationship between user table. Function. Great. Now we build up relationship belongs to user table. Right. Invoice product. Use the capital letter. Go to the invoice table. Sorry for that. If the name is not match, it's not working. Invoice product. This is the namespace. It is not plural. I need to singular. but I is capital. To invest product and must be protected, fillable, invoice ID, product ID. I write QTY, not quantity, not price, sales price. If we mistake this information not match with the database table, it not works. We need to relationship between the product table, the product class not make yet. Product the product is not created yet. In this case, is faces error. We need to make invoice. Invoice I don't do anything. Then policy. I need to product cart. Just product cart. Protected. User ID, product ID, color, size, quantity, and another field is price. That's our migration table. And we need to relationship between the product table like before. The same. Just copy. No problem. When you create the product model, is automatically solve the error. Now we need to product details. TAIL detail. Product details has a relationship with the product table, same as we need to product profile, product review, the product review has a fillable property. Return its customer profile, customer profiles. Okay, great. Now we want to slider. Seller has nothing but product wishes mention the relationship. Wish WIS WISHE yes maybe missing for the content, no problem. The product which has init relationship product class. Now I need to create the product. Creating product is the error is removing error is remove. The product has a relationship between brand and category. Brand category. Excellent. Now we need to create SSL commerce. SSL Z account. Here we need to nothing yet. User table I mentioned not name, email and OTP. And it must relationship between the profile table. Customer profile table. Great. But I need to protect the password hashed. After development side, we remove the command. Now our relationship is working well. We need to check e-commerce 25 designer. There is a lot of files are here. We need to check personal token is not need for. We should remove the extra table. Working well, no problem. Thanks for watching the video. Next episode. Sorry for that. Invoice policies. I create the policies off camera, making the policies and the policy type about refund term how to complete it.